The name of chapter 2 is linear equation in one variable. A linear equation which has only one variable with power 1 is called a linear equation in one variable. The standard form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to c, where x is a variable and a, b, c are constant. Constant means any real number. Means 1, 2, 3, 5 by 7, 2 by 9, whatever be the numbers that are a, b, c. But a never be equal to 0. If a is 0, then it will not be a linear equation. It is linear because power of x is 1, that is maximum. X is known as variable. For example, state which of the following is a linear equation in one variable and why. Just like 2x minus 8 is equal to 10. Is it a linear equation? Yes. It is a linear equation because the variable is x and its power is, maximum power is 1. X is the only variable with power 1. In this also b part, this one is linear? Yes. Because as 1 by x plus 6 is equal to 8, we have to check. Take x as LCM. So x 1 plus 6x is equal to 8x. 1 plus 6x is equal to 8x. You can take 6x this side. You will get 1 is equal to 2x. That is also a way to represent the linear equation. Is this a linear equation in one variable? No, because x and y there are two variables. X plus 5 is equal to 2 is a linear equation? Yes. It has only one variable x with power 1. Because only one variable x is there and its power is 1. Now solution of linear equation. Solution of a linear equation is what? The value of x which satisfies the given equation. There is one and only one solution always for a linear equation in one variable. Just like this one, 2x minus 8 is equal to 10. So minus 8 this side will be plus 8. 2x is equal to 18. Then x will be 9 is a solution. So in this way we can find the solution also. Solving of a linear equation. This is the method how can we solve. No need to this. I am just telling you the examples. So we are solving of linear equation which have linear expression as on side and numbers on other sides. It means the terms containing x, y, z, t, whatever be the variable, it is not compulsory that always x will be the variable. It may be y, may be z, may be v. So let us solve this. 5 plus 3x is equal to 8. So 5 plus 3x is equal to 8. Take this 5 this side. Means subtract 5 from both the sides. No need to write this. You just send 5 this side. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we get 3x is equal to 3. Now to remove this 3, we have to divide both sides by 3. That is 3x by 3 is equal to 3 by 3. This implies x is equal to 1. Or just send this 3 this side. Because it is multiplied with x, so this side it will be divided by 3. X is equal to 3 by 3. Ultimately x is 1. In the same way, these are there. So try to solve these examples. Not necessary according to the given solution, you can use your own method. Same here, example 4. Solve it by your own way. Send this 8z this side and 32 by 20 this side. Then you solve it. Now let us start. Look at this exercise 2.1. In first question, match the solution in column 2 which satisfy the equation in column 1. Just like if we solve this, we find the value of x and then check which solution is there. Which answer of a is 1, 2, 3 or 4 like this. So let us start from the book, from the notebook. This one is there, chapter 2, exercise.